blurs the world outside Lena's window, a stark contrast to the vibrant chaos within her room. Nestled among toys and paintings, Lena sighs, her boredom palpable in the still air. The room, usually a kaleidoscope of color, feels muted under the oppressive gray sky. Even the brightest hues of Lena's paintings seem dimmed, reflecting her listless mood. From under Lena's bed, a glimmer catches the light, an old paintbrush, its golden bristles hinting at forgotten magic. Lena retrieves the brush, its sparkling wooden handle cool beneath her fingertips. She examines it with wide-eyed curiosity, a silent question in her gaze. The brush pulses with a faint, ethereal light, a dormant power awakening in Lena's hand. Lena dips the magical brush, poised over vibrant watercolors. A focused calm settles over her. The small red ball leaps from the page, bursting into existence with a shower of radiant golden dust. Her eyes widen, reflecting astonishment and wonder as the room fills with a warm, golden glow. The air shimmers, charged with unexpected magic, as Lena stares at her creation. Lena, flushed with joy, slams the door shut, the lock clicking decisively. She grins, turning to her canvas, ready to unleash her imagination. With a flick, she paints a cascade of candy, shimmering into existence. A vibrant kite materializes, dancing as if caught by an unseen breeze. The room bursts with color, a riot of whimsical, impossible objects. Tommy knocks, small hand clutching a cookie. Lena's door creaks open, revealing a room filled with secrets. Lena pauses, a flicker of something hidden in her eyes. The door clicks shut, sealing them both inside. Under the blanket, the magical brush waits. Tommy offers the treat. Lena, wanna play? Okay, I saved my last cookie for you. The cookie, a peace offering in a room thick with unspoken magic and hidden intentions. Lena, hope shining in her eyes, lifts the magical brush, ready to conjure a playful puppy. She strokes the brush across the paper, anticipation building, but the page remains blank. The brush, once vibrant, now appears dull gray, its magic seemingly extinguished. Frustration clouds Lena's face as she tries to draw a bicycle, then a rainbow. Still, nothing. The room grows colder, the air losing its vibrancy as her hope diminishes. Shadows begin to creep from the corners, mirroring the fading magic and growing despair. Lena slumps on her bed, her form shadowed by exhaustion. A dim light casts long shapes across the floor. She cradles the inert brush, tracing its smooth handle with weary fingers. A sigh escapes her lips, frustration lacing her tone. Why won't you work? Her gaze darkens with regret, a haunting whisper in the dimness. I should have shared you, she admits, the weight of unspoken words heavy in the air. The brush remains still, a silent testament to her creative block and inner turmoil. From her window, Lena observes Tommy playing outside, his small figure amidst the joyous chaos of other children. Tommy shares his toys, his face alight with innocent generosity. He kneels, gently helping a girl tie her shoes, a simple act of kindness resonating in the sunlit street. A profound realization dawns on Lena as she witnesses Tommy's inherent goodness, a warmth spreading through her. Soft daylight fills Tommy's room, casting a peaceful glow. Lena quietly approaches, a mysterious brush hidden behind her. She pauses, a gentle smile forming as she prepares her surprise. Tommy, I have something special to show you, and I want to share it, Lena says softly. Sunlight streams into Tommy's room, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. Tommy's eyes light up, reflecting pure excitement and anticipation. A hopeful grin spreads across Tommy's face, full of playful energy. Want to try it together? Tommy asks, his voice filled with eagerness. Tommy gestures invitingly, ready to embark on an adventure. On the village green, Lena and Tommy discover a wide, inviting space near an ancient willow, ready to transform. Lena paints a slide, her brush strokes bold, injecting life into the playground. Tommy meticulously paints swings, carefully detailing each chain and seat. She envisions a merry-go-round, capturing its joyful, spinning motion. He adds a trampoline, imagining laughter-filled bounces, bringing the playground to vibrant life. As they paint, the brush glows, a miniature sun, its brilliance capturing the village's attention. The playground materializes a vibrant beacon of hope and renewal. Children gather their eyes wide with wonder as they flock to the new playground. Laughter echoes, filling the air with joy, a symphony of youthful delight and liberation. Lena surveys the joyful chaos of the village green, her heart swelling with warmth under the sun's golden light. Tommy beams with satisfaction, watching the bustling scene unfold before him. A radiant glow bathes their faces, capturing a moment of shared joy. Tommy's voice rings out, filled with conviction. See, sharing really does make things better. Lena's eyes sparkle as she wholeheartedly agrees, her voice full of joy. Way better. Lena and another person pack paints in the quiet bedroom, the air filled with peace. Lena's brush glows with a soft, golden light, a magical aura illuminating the scene. She stares at the brush, a thoughtful expression gracing her features. It came back to life, Lena muses, her voice soft with wonder. Maybe it just needed a little kindness, she adds, a gentle smile playing on her lips. Lena's eyes reflect newfound understanding as she holds the brush, its bristles catching the soft light. Gently, Lena places the brush in a box marked, "For sharing only, a promise of future generosity." A soft smile graces her lips, a silent vow to share the brush's magic with others. The box emits a gentle glow, a visual echo of the power unleashed through sharing and kindness. Lena's bedroom bursts with vibrant colors, a testament to shared joy and boundless magic. Each stroke of the magical brush ignites with pure, unadulterated joy. The air vibrates with laughter, echoing the endless possibilities born from kindness. Paintings come alive, sparkling with the enchantment of collaborative creation. A haven of color and sound, Lena's room sings with the harmony of shared dreams.